Kill them all. Let the paramedics sort them out. Let's go. Big game. Woo! What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. I appreciate you coming by today. You know what? I'm pumped up. As you can see at the beginning of this, I love football. I'm ready for the big game. I'm ready for my tailgate. Got my old practice jersey on. I'm ready to hit somebody. All right, so we're gonna do some quick, well, only two quick and easy dishes today. I'm gonna show you part one, and then we're gonna do part two, and I'll drop part two later. All right, both will be ready in time for that big game. Can't say those other words. I don't want to get sued by the NFL. All right, so here's the deal. Come on back, and I'm gonna show you how we put this beautiful sausage cheese dip together. All right, come on back. It's real easy, real simple. It's gonna be quick videos, just so you can have these ready and impress your friends. Come on back. All right, guys, we got the finished product right here. Cheesy, sausagey, peppery goodness. Check it out. Make this dish. It's really easy to do. All right, guys, we're gonna go over the ingredients for this dip. Natural maple sausage. I know you're thinking maple, but I'll go over it and explain why it's so important. Velveeta, we got some pepper jack, a little Rotel, a little extra diced green chilies because that's how I love it. And we got some fresh made chips from the deli. All right, come on back and I'll show you how we put this together. Guys, we're back real quick. I want to go through, I've already went through the ingredients. I want to show you how we prep this up. I fried up this maple sausage. Now, while you're asking right now to yourself, maple sausage with cheese product and peppers and onions, just go with it. Trust me on this one. It's a winner every time. The sweet, the heat, the savory, you can't go wrong. All right, so let's build this thing real easy. We got our cheese product that I've cut up, cubed up. I'm gonna throw this sausage in there. I fried it up already because I don't want to have to cook it in there, and I don't think that's the right way to do it anyway. So we got our diced chilies we're gonna go in there with. These are roasted, fire roasted. All right, got some Rotel, peppers and chilies. I think we're only gonna need one can, so we're gonna put that other one to the side. And then my own special hint to this is a little pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna throw this in there too. All right, looking good. Love this. Obviously, it looks like it's piled up right now, but it's gonna melt all together, make one gooey, magical mess. And we got some great homemade fried chips from the deli. And we're gonna do this bad boy. Come on back when this is all melted and lovely and strong, and we'll have a little taste test. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We got our cheesy sausage, pepper, whatever dip. I'm a double dipper, don't tell anybody, but I'm going in there. We'll try this bad boy. All right. Look away. Look away. Oh, that's what happened. It's a winner. Now, I know you guys were wondering about that maple sausage, but I'm telling you, it makes it. It's the savory, sweet, heat. Hook it up. Got my beer here. Cheers. We're gonna get back to the game. I know this is a winner, just like Mr. Brady is. And the Pats, I hate to tell you Philly fans, but I think that's how it's gonna go down. Hope you enjoy that big game. I almost said it. You can't say the S Bowl, you know, because you get in trouble by the NFL. Gotta watch out for no copyright lawyers. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.